Tab Subnautica Below Zero, fix controller gamepad not working on PC. Issue, controller or gamepad not detecting or not responding in Subnautica Below Zero. Step 1, restart your PC and controller. Disconnect the controller completely. Restart your computer properly. Reconnect the controller before launching the game. Step 2, check USB or Bluetooth connection. Use a working USB cable for wired controllers. Repair Bluetooth controllers if disconnected. Try another USB port on your PC. Step 3, enable controller support in Steam. Open Steam settings. Go to Controller, General Controller Settings. Enable Xbox or PlayStation controller support. Step 4, disable Steam input temporarily. Right-click Subnautica Below Zero in Steam, open Properties Controller, set Steam input to disable and test again. Step 5, check in-game controller settings. Launch the game and open Settings. Make sure controller input is enabled, apply settings, and restart the game. Step 6, update controller drivers. Open Device Manager in Windows. Find Xbox or 8ID controller drivers. Update the drivers and restart the PC. Step 7, close background controller apps, disable DS4 Windows or remapping tools temporarily, close Xbox Game Bar and overlays, end unnecessary apps from Task Manager. Step 8, verify game files, open Steam Library, use verify integrity of game files, repair missing or corrupted files automatically. Step 9, run the game as administrator, right-click the game exe file, select Run as Administrator, allow all permission requests from Windows. Step 10, reinstall controller drivers or game. Remove controller from Device Manager. Reconnect it to install fresh drivers. Reinstall the game if the issue continues.